Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another review. Today I've got something pretty cool. It's the Fomito K1, and you may be able to see it just here on my backpack strap. And basically it's a camera clipping system, so you can mount your camera to, like a backpack, a belt or anything like that. I'll quickly show you how it works. Just clips in like that. As you can see now, my camera is hanging from the strap of my backpack, which is pretty cool. So very nice and easy to release. And it's pretty cool when you need to get a quick shot. You can just pull your camera back out and yeah, it's pretty cool. So let's get on to an unboxing, a really quick unboxing, and then after that I'll tell you my thoughts, the price and all the other good stuff. In the box for the Fomito K1 you will receive an instruction manual that is actually pretty decent, a business card with some contact information, a lens cloth, the base plate, a mount that is described as a binocular telescope tripod mount in the manual. This may be for certain lenses or telescopes. A GoPro mount that screws to the base plate, a set of longer screws which are used when you're mounting the clip to a thick strap, an Allen key for tightening the base plate to your camera, and finally the actual camera clip itself. This thing is actually very nice quality. It is all made of metal and has a nice heavy and strong build quality. It also features a tripod screw on the bottom, so you could actually use this as a quick release plate for your other devices. The camera clip is very easy to attach to your strap. Just loosen the thumb screws, tilt it open, put it between your strap, tilt it back closed, and retighten the thumb screws. As you can see, it attaches very firmly and isn't going anywhere. I've never had this slip, fall or move in any way whatsoever. The manual says that this mount can carry up to 20 kilograms, although I highly doubt anyone would want to be carrying that kind of weight from it. With all of my camera gear, I like to use my quick release base plates. This is so that I can move from device to device quickly and not have to worry about rebalancing my gimbals every time I remove and reinstall my camera. The base plates I use are the Manfrotto 394. They are expensive, but they're very high quality. I've installed my base plate onto the one that comes with the Fomito K1, and as you can see, the camera mounts beautifully. It does make the setup a lot chunkier, but this Manfrotto plate never leaves my camera. Okay, so now I have the Fomito K1 attached to my strap and my camera is now secured nicely to the strap. Releasing the camera is easy, but not so easy that it would ever accidentally fall out. The plate will only release upwards, so there is no chance of the camera slipping downwards and out of the mount. Reattaching the camera is easy, just slide it down into the mount and it will click right in. The strap I'm using this video is a very loose strap. Normally I'd have this attached to my backpack and the camera sits a lot nicer. The mount can also be attached to belts and any other kind of strap you can think of. The Fomito K1 also comes with a feature that can completely lock the mount in place. Even if the red button is pressed, the plate will not release. You can apply this lock by turning the black thumb screw on the right corner of the K1 clockwise until it is tight. As you can see, a locking mechanism comes out from the side to stop the plate from releasing even if the red button is pressed. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Full disclosure, this product was sent to me for the purpose of review, so I didn't pay for it, but that isn't going to change my opinion on the outcome of the review. If I don't like it, I'm going to tell you. If I do like it, of course, I'm going to tell you. So, yeah, in terms of price and things like that, from memory, it's $35 US. I'll put a link in the description below, and it's around 42, I think, Australian dollars. But on their website, you can do a little currency conversion, and you can buy it directly from them, which is pretty cool. So, yeah, as I said, I hope you enjoyed the little unboxing and some explanation of some of the things. You can see it here, like in the intro of the video. I'll just run through a couple of things I really like about it. One thing is that you can clip it in pretty much any way you like. Because of the foot of the quick release plate is just a square. You can clip it in this way, that way, this way. It doesn't really matter. You can clip it in any way you like, which is really nice, like that. The other thing I love is the fact that you get that GoPro mount. I think that's awesome because you could literally have the GoPro mounted on your chest and film. So you could have like a chest mounted view from a GoPro instead of getting that full chest strap system that GoPro sell. So yeah, that's really cool. I haven't really tried it on the belt because I don't wear belts all that often, but it would be pretty good. So yeah, in terms of the good things, that's what I like about it. Also, like, it's just, the build quality is really nice. I love how you get those extra long screws to mount it to thicker straps. This strap here is probably about the limit you'd want to go on the small straps, but the long screws are for, thicker straps like hiking backpacks and things like that. So Yeah, the build quality is absolutely amazing. All the stuff you get with it is absolutely amazing. It definitely does the job. The camera locks in there extremely tight. It's not going to fall out. And as I said in the up close and personal, you could see that you can lock, even if the red button's pressed, you can lock the camera from coming out, which is pretty cool. Now to the downsides of it, I don't think you're going to want to use this with any really heavy equipment because it does tend to pull down. So this is the Lumix GH4. I've just got the kit lens on it, which is the 14-140. It's a very light package for a mirrorless camera, but even this, it does pull a little bit. It's not too bad, but you do know it's there. I can feel the strap wanting to kind of pull off my shoulder. Maybe if I tighten the straps up a bit better, and I've got nothing in this backpack at the moment. Usually when it's full, the shoulder straps are nice and tight. But yeah, if it's sitting like that, it actually feels really nice, but you do know it's there, let's put it that way. It's not invisible. I've heard the same watching other people who mounted it to belt straps, like their belts on their pants. They did say the same thing, you do know it's there. I think a camera like this on the belt would be pretty nice, but again, you will feel it start to, you know, pull on the belt and things like that. So that's probably my only issue with it. And like I said, this is a light package, it is a mirrorless camera. If you had a massive DSLR with a big lens, it's probably going to be pretty annoying hanging from you. You're not going to be able to walk properly, it's just going to be jumping around. So yeah, I mean, if you had like a point and shoot camera like the Canon G7X or like the GoPro and things like that, I think it's perfect. Or even the smaller mirrorless cameras again, like the Canon, I think it's the M50. The GH4, it's pretty big for a mirrorless camera. And it doesn't weigh a whole lot without lenses and things like that, but yeah, even for big cameras, it does the job, it does work, it's handy to have, but I just think if you were wearing it for a while, it may get annoying moving around and stuff like that. But yeah, I think it's an awesome product. One thing I noticed is that there's a company, I think it's called Peak Design, who I think invented this, and then there's some companies now coming out like Fomito, making their own versions of it. So I haven't actually tried the Peak Designs one, but I've watched a few reviews on that, and a lot of people said the same thing. If you do have a heavy setup, it's a bit annoying to wear all the time. But yeah, I think it's awesome, like I said, for GoPros, smaller cameras, even just to use it literally just as a GoPro mount for a shoulder strap or a belt mount type thing, it is perfect. So yeah, 2 big thumbs up for what it does. I think it is awesome. The build quality is great, like I said before. The way it holds your camera is really good. It's not going to fall out. It's extremely solid. I will continue to use it, but I'll probably mainly use it on just maybe for this camera. This is probably about the maximum limit of weight I'd want to carry on this, simply because it's pulling down on the strap. But I will use it for the G7X, my GoPros and things like that. I think it's perfect for that. So I hope that helps you make some sense of whether you'd buy one or not. For the price, I would buy one. I think it's pretty cool. Like I said, I haven't tried it on the belt. It might be a lot better on the belt, or if you have a different backpack where the straps are a bit, you know, a bit thicker, a bit tighter, then it may suit you a little bit better. But yeah, that's my review. Hope you enjoyed. You will find a link in the description below if you do want to buy it, or for more information. And yeah, again, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about the Fomito K1, let me know in the comments below. I'll answer them as best as I can. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe if you're not already. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.